Morning everyone. In this class we will see why industrial relations are important and what are the factors that determines industrial relations. First we will see importance of industrial relations. To achieve rapid national development and increased social justice, there must be a good relationship between employer and employee. We will see why it is so. Uninterrupted production. The most important benefit of industrial relation is that it is ensure continuity of production. This means continuous employment for all from manager to workers. The resources are fully utilized, resulting in the maximum possible production. There is uninterrupted flow of income for all. Decrease in industrial disputes. Good industrial relation reduces the industrial disputes. Disputes are reflections of the failure of basic human urges or motivations to secure adequate satisfaction. Strikes, lockouts, go slow tactics, and grievances are some of their reflections of industrial unrest. Good industrial relation helps promoting cooperation and increasing production. High morale. Good industrial relations improve the morale of the employees. Employees work with great enthusiasm with a feeling in mind that the interest of employer and employees is one and the same. That is to increase production. Mental revolution. The main object of industrial relation is to complete mental revolution of workers and employees. Both should think themselves as partners of the industry, and the role of workers in such a partnership should be recognized. On the other hand, workers must recognize employers' authority. It will naturally have impact on production because they recognize the interest of each other. New programs for workers' development are introduced in an atmosphere of peace, such as training facilities, labor welfare facilities, etc. It increases the efficiency of workers, resulting in higher and better production at lower cost. Reduced wastage. Good industrial relations are maintained on the basis of cooperation and recognition of each other. Wastage of man, material, and machines are reduced to the minimum, and thus national interest is protected. These are all the importance of industrial relations. Without good industrial relations, there will be an uninterrupted production that ensures uninterrupted flow of income to all. Decrease of industrial disputes help to increase the industrial peace in the organization. High morale will lead to high productivity. Mental revolution gives the smooth atmosphere in an organization. Both employers and employees will take care of each other. New programs that ensures the betterment of employees' welfare. By all these, the wastages will get reduced and thus guaranteed for national interest. Next, we will see the topic determining factors of industrial relation. Good industrial relations depends on a great variety of factors. 1. History of industrial relations. History of industrial relations. No enterprise can escape its good and bad history of industrial relations. But once Yeah, harmonious relationship is established, there is a tendency for harmony to continue. Economic satisfaction of workers. Economic satisfaction of workers is another important prerequisite for good industrial relations. Social and psychological satisfaction. Identifying the social and psychological urges of workers is a very important step in the direction of building good industrial relations. The supportive climate requires economic rewards as well as social and psychological rewards, such as workers' participation in management, job enrichment, suggestion schemes, redressal of grievances, etc. Of the job conditions. For good industrial relations, it is not enough that workers' factory life alone should be taken care of the job condition should also be improved to make the industrial relations better. Enlightened trade unions, the most important condition necessary for good industrial relation is a strong and enlightened labor movement which may help to promote the status of labor without harming the interest of management. Negotiating skills and attitudes of management and workers. Varying backgrounds such as training, education, experience, and attitudes plays a major role in shaping the character of industrial relations. Public policy and legislation. When government regulate employee relations, it becomes a third major force determining industrial relations. The first two being the employer and the union. Better education. It is a common knowledge that the industrial worker in India is generally illiterate and is misled by outside trade union leaders who may misguide them. Better workers' education can be a solution to this problem. So, the factors which are determining a good industrial relations are history of IR, economic satisfaction of workers. So they must be satisfied with the basic needs, the prerequisites is to be satisfied. Social and psychological satisfaction. After the basic needs is to be get satisfied, that is an economic satisfaction, then an employer should be satisfied with social and psychological satisfaction and of the job condition, not only in the campus, even out of the organization, they must be taken care. Enlightened trade unions, and trade unions must be strong and it must enlighten the labor movement. It should not misguide them so as to get a good relationship. So the trade unions is also an factor which is influencing industrial relation. Then negotiating skills and attitudes of management and workers. See, their attitudes is been getting improved by various programs such as training, education experiences. So this also plays a major role in industrial relation. Then government influences is there. So government interfere and they are taking some policy decisions for the welfare of the industrial or for the welfare of the employee, and hence public policy and legislation is an influencing factor in industrial relation. And better education, because once they are aware, they are educated, they will have a good relationship with the employer employee, and hence the better education is also a factor which influence industrial relations. Thank you. Keep in touch with subject. See you in the next video.